Hello guys, welcome to Mabina and Mutamana Diary. And this is the outside of the Rishka bus, and now we are going inside. And we look very beautiful. This is the views of the outside, and they will tell you a lot about Durban. And uh, uh, and after that we went to Gateway Theatre Mall, and we took some pictures from the water fountain, and it was very beautiful. It changed colors when it always go up and down. It looks very nice. Me and my sister took videos. We look so beautiful in this outfit. Me and my sister, we were like pointing at it. We loved it. This is the top view of the fountain. After that, we went to have dinner. Please like and subscribe and share, and make sure to follow. Thank you for watching Mutmaina and Mobina's Diaries. Bye.